Everybody, good to see you. If you've never had the pleasure of trying Vietnamese cuisine, well, you're in for a real treat today. Jasmine Phan is here this morning along with Lauren Roberts, and they're talking about this awesome new technique of doing Vietnamese food, and it's Pleiku Cafe, is that right? Good to see you.
Thank you.
Tell everybody where your restaurant's located.
We're located in La Jolla off of Bay Avenue, but right across from Tapenade restaurant.
Oh,
if
of course.
everybody's been to Tapenade, we're right there off of Shingle Lane.
Great. And featured in San Diego Home Garden by South Magazine, which is super. Okay, so we're going to show some of the items here, and tell me a little bit about what you've done with the authentic cuisine and how you've modernized it to keep it really fresh.
Well, as you know, Vietnamese food has a lot of fresh herbs and spices, and what we've done is we've used authentic recipes, but we've put a modern twist by putting new superfoods into our cuisine, like seafood. We've added tofu to give you that protein when you need that protein and you don't need meat. We've also made a lot of light foods so that you feel that it's filling, but not make you sluggish.
Right.
It's very healthy.
Not full of carbs,
Yes.
full of good carbs. Like
Yes.
we're looking at right here, a couple of different spring rolls, a shrimp, and then what is this spring roll right here?
This is our signature roll. They're called the Pleiku roll. It's ground marinated pork, and then it's grilled, so it's not fried at all, and then wrapped with green leaf, noodles, cilantro, mint. But if you don't want a certain item, we could, in the roll, we could take it out.
You do it custom for
Everything's
us.
fresh, made to order.
Oh, great. And we're looking right here at, this has actually got some seaweed in it. And you were saying this is a superfood, right?
Yes. An article has said that the seaweed is the superfood of 2012. So it actually gives you that boost of nutrients and all kinds of good stuff for you.
Lauren, what's your favorite food? Because I understand you're a big fan of the restaurant.
Definitely the waffles, and I love the mango salad.
Oh, yeah, that looks delicious, the mango salad. And what's in the waffles there that makes them so special?
The waffle is special because it's made from pandan leaf. Pandan is a leaf that's grown in Asia. It's boiled down and used as an extract, and so it gives you this herbal quality. And it's not like a Belgian waffle where it's crispy. It's actually fully soft. So the texture is a different taste sensation. It's good for a snack or dessert or breakfast, whichever. It's very accommodating to what you want to, how you want to eat it, and
brunch food.
Yep.
What are we gonna make here? Because we're gonna make something here.
Do the tofu wrap.
All right.
And so what we usually do is rice paper usually comes like this. It's actually kind of hard and it breaks.
So how do you get it like
this? We soften it with water. And then what we're going to do is do the wrap.
Add some seaweed in there.
We're going to add the seaweed. And then we're going to have a green leaf or whatever leaf you want, whatever lettuce. It's fine.
Or if you like sprouts, whatever. Pick your favorite.
Pretty much add whatever you like.
A little bit of
Can I get in here?
Yeah.
Help yourself.
Is that mint?
Mint.
Oh, of course. You know, spring roll is one of my favorite foods. Like you said, it's sort of like a really healthy burrito if you think about it, right?
Healthy burrito. It's you could customize it the way you want. A slice of cucumber, and then we have some noodles. But if you don't want any carbs, you don't have to add the noodles.
A little bit of tofu,
and then a little bit of tofu,
and we'll just roll it right up.
We'll just roll
As
it
we roll
right
it up, tell everyone. No, I think I should let you do it.
Okay.
Okay.
So it takes a little bit of practice, and it's something that a lot of people they think that it's like a burrito, but with rice paper, it's very malleable and it's very soft.
Again, you're on Bay Avenue in La Jolla. Just been there about 3 months.
Yeah. And then you fold in the corners.
Okay. And your
Pleiku
Cafe, right?
Yep. You play with.
Do you like these two, Lauren?
Oh yeah, delicious.
Yeah, and then you roll it up. And then we also have custom sauces for all of our rolls. A lot of our customers are used to having just peanut sauce or plum sauce, but with our rolls we actually do custom sauce.
Just cut it down. We're good.
And you're good.
Jasmine, Lauren, thank you so much. Once again, Pleiku on Bay Avenue in La Jolla. It looks beautiful.
Fresh, healthy, and light.
Wonderful Vietnamese food. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Still much more ahead here on Good Morning San Diego. Stay with us. A team learns a lesson about bringing home